It's been a long day. This is it. I think the Tioga's fixed. We're gonna go straight to the gas station, grocery store, and hopefully make it out to the campgrounds successfully before dark. So, we're out of here. Free at last. Right, Bubba? Oops. I know you guys ain't ready for that, but I've been calling her Bubba for quite a while now. Or Bubby. Oh, Bubby. So, poor Bella. Yeah, has all kind of nicknames for her. Hi, girl. Alright. So far, so good. We're running. Oh, is it good to be moving? Is it good to be away from the garage? Well, the fuel pump is obviously fixed. I think the gas gauge works. I only had 5 gallons at the garage and in a 40-gallon tank. I think that gas gauge is up off empty a little bit. I'm anxious to get out here and fill the tank up, and that gauge just goes up to full. That's going to be pretty sweet. But from the earlier repairs a few videos ago, she sounds good, runs good. But then that fuel pump thing happened, so I'll get that fixed. So we gotta get out. We gotta get out the campgrounds. The holding tanks are ready to burst, and we need out. I left some dishes in the sink that are going bang. Time to go over the pump. Anyway, we're gonna get out of here. Check this out. I got gas. This is nice. It's on a full mark. I mean, how nice is this? We're gonna stop at the grocery store and definitely need groceries, but I'm almost out of coffee. And we're going to the campgrounds tonight. Wake up there in the morning, peaceful. Make a fresh pot of coffee. Tomorrow's gonna just be a chill day for me. Coffee, ice cream, cinnamon roll, lunch meat. Let's go. That's it. Well, this will be the big test now. We get out of town here. Nice big steep hill. That's when the Tioga's thirsty and wants gasoline. She gets up this hill without hesitation. I'll be feeling a little bit better about it. Yeah, if we get up out of town, up this big hill, leaving town, that's okay. I'll be feeling a whole lot better. That's good. I can't wait to get out to the campground, empty the tanks, refill the fresh water. I'm gonna flip the hot water heater on. I'm ready for a nice hot shower after today. Yeah, somebody was bad last night, and instead of putting the fuel pump in last night, stayed up late editing video. Me. I got up this morning, slapped down some coffees, got all the components swapped over on that fuel pump, climbed underneath this thing for a while, and got that all in, all the bolts tight, the tank up, all secured, hoses wired, or hook up wires, and put the tools back away from the last video, did some organizing. That's it. I'm gonna head up this hill nice. Alright. We're gonna be okay, Don. It's good being out. We are free again. That's it. Tanks are dumped. Freshwater tank's full. We're ready to relax the rest of the evening after a nice hot shower. Let's go find us a camp spot. did it. We're out. Go on, girl. Alright, you gotta go pee. Alright, we did it. That's it. We're gonna call it a night. I'm gonna go get a shower and make some quick dinner. Maybe a little bit of Netflix. And a good night's sleep. We'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.